Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm here to show you what all I've been using and what I'll be using during this winter to keep my skin nourished and hydrated and my hair beautiful and lush. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sushmita and I create lots of makeup tutorials, skincare videos and hauls and so many fun hauls. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and join my family. So first I'm going to talk about my hair because winters can be super harsh on my hair. During winters it just tends to go crazy, it becomes frizzy and it's got the tendency to break easily. Plus hair care is super tough. You don't know what you're going to like or what your hair is going to like until and unless you do lots of experiments with shampoos, conditioners or keratin treatments at salons, and at the end your hair gets more damaged than when you started. That's when you must take a step back and think what actually your hair needs. It needs nutrition. That's why we're going to talk about hair nutrition. Now when all the brands promise hair nutrition, how do you choose the right one? The answer is science, because only science will give you the truth. A few months back when I was suffering from hair fall, hair breakage, split ends, frizzy hair, I searched for the root cause of my problems. I found out that keratin makes up for 90% of the hair. And when you lose your natural keratin, your hair loses the ability to repair the damage caused by sun, pollution, or heat styling. And there's only one brand talking about this in detail, True Basics. So I went ahead and purchased True Basics Keratin. It is India's first clinically researched keratin that is scientifically proven to boost the natural keratin production in your hair, reduce hair fall by up to 47% and increase hair shine by 65%. It has a special ingredient called cyanotin that fuels your hair with keratin. The first result I saw was in the third week when my hair fall reduced from 80 to 100 strands a day to maybe barely 40 a day. My hair felt naturally strong from the root and the shine was also restored. I was surprised because no other hair product has ever been so effective in my case. I would definitely recommend this product and it's safe to use for both men and women for all ages. So try True Basics Keratin and you'll never go back. The next thing I do is I use a hydrating face wash because winters can be really harsh on the skin. So I use an exfoliating face wash and I use the Just Herbs Lively Clean Honey Exfoliating Face Cleansing Gel. It's a really nice exfoliating gel and it's got neem, tulsi and orange peel. I really don't like using harsh exfoliators, but this is not harsh at all, so it works great for my skin. I use this 2 to 3 times a week, especially after my shoots. The next thing that I love using on my face during winters is the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Beauty Fluid. It's a night serum, so once I wash my face at night and I'm ready to go off to sleep, before going off to sleep I use this on my face. I have included this in my nighttime routine. If you guys want me to do an updated skincare routine, like nighttime skincare routine, then let me know in the comment section below and I'll do it for you. It's completely yellow in color and I just massage it all over my face and it hydrates my skin so beautifully. If you have dry to combination skin or if you have dry skin, then just go for it, but if you have oily skin, then I would say to stay away from it. So I just apply it at night and I wake up to beautiful, glowy, healthy skin. Now coming to the body, I love using an exfoliator during winters because during winters my skin becomes super dry and rough. I mean, not super rough. My skin is generally soft. It does become a little drier than usual. So I love using the Body Shop Strawberry Softening Body Polish. This has got strawberry juice, honey, glycerin, and it does not dry out my skin. The beads are not that harsh. It does a wonderful job in exfoliation. It smells heavenly and I'm crazy about fragrance. If a product does not smell good, I just cannot use it, but this one smells so good. Next product I'm going to show you, and oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry about all the noise. There's some construction work going on. From 2 to 4, it's supposed to be quiet, but I don't know what's happening. The next product I'm going to show you, and oh my god, I'm going to die because of the fragrance. What? I thought of making video in natural lighting, but this is what you get to hear when I'm making a video in natural lighting, so I don't think this is possible. Now since I've shot half the video, I have to shoot the next half, so I have to carry on. And they're going to test my patience level. Next product I'm going to show you, and oh my god, I'm gonna die because of the fragrance. It's the Plum Body Loving Body Oil in Vanilla Vibes. I have already talked about this product in multiple videos of mine. The oil is vegan, cruelty free, and it just gets absorbed in the skin so well. So once I take bath before towel drying, I apply this oil and it just gets absorbed by the body. It moisturizes the body so well. It's so hydrating that I don't need to apply any moisturizer after that. It just keeps my body nourished and super soft, and I'm not even kidding, the fragrance is to die for. The next product is the Nykaa Wanderlust Strawberry Daiquiri Body Butter. It's extremely hydrating and nourishing, so it keeps my skin super soft. It's a big tub and I've already used half of it. It's got shea and cocoa butter and it's extremely nourishing. So if you have extremely dry skin, what you can do is you can apply this and then follow it up with this, and your body will thank you. Although I'm not a big fan of the fragrance, but it just keeps my skin so hydrated. Next, I'm going to show you a couple of lip balms, lip products. I'm obsessed with lip balms. I just keep applying them all the time. After waking up, after brushing my teeth, before eating, after eating, before going off to bed. I'm extremely finicky about my lip balms. If I don't like something, I'll not touch it ever again. But if I love something, I'm going to keep using it forever. So these are some products that I really love, and if you have extremely dry lips, you better consider getting these for yourself. So the first one I'm going to show you is from Wadi. This is the Wadi Blueberry Lip Balm. I've also got the orange one, but orange, strawberry, they're really common. I really wanted to try the blueberry one. So this is a really nice lip balm and it just keeps my lips super soft. It's in a blue shade, but when it goes on the lips, it just becomes colorless. The next one is another lip balm. This is the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm in Tough Cookie, and it's in a very nice nude shade. It's extremely thick. It's almost like a lip gloss. It keeps my lips super hydrated. The shine is beautiful. Next one is the Forest Essentials Revitalizing Gel Scrub. The fragrance it's so luxurious. It just gives you the spa feeling instantly. This is very grainy and you can feel the grains. It's very harsh on the lips, but it's very good. It does a wonderful job in exfoliating. I do exfoliate my lips every single day after I brush my teeth with my toothbrush, but I do use this sometimes when I feel like my lips are extremely chapped and extremely dry. I suggested this to one of my friends and she absolutely loves it. She's just crazy about this. The next one I love using is the Laneige Sleeping Mask. Just look at the texture. It looks so smooth. I'm done with my first tub and this is my second one. This is not a lip balm. This is a sleeping mask. So when you go off to sleep, you just apply it and you wake up with baby soft lips. It just smells of berries. It's got a very subtle and beautiful smell. I cannot tell you enough how much I appreciate this product in my life. Alright guys, that was it. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do like this video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do let me know in the comment section below what you guys are using or which products you love using during winters. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.